In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB for Windows using just command prompt. No tools, no extra software, just a few simple commands. Let's get into it. First, plug in your USB drive. Then go to Start, type CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This will open the command prompt window. Now type diskpart. This opens up the disk partition tool, basically where we'll manage your USB drive. Next, type list, then space disk. This will show you a list of all the disks connected to your computer. Look at the sizes to figure out which one is your USB stick. For example, if you have an 8GB USB and disk 1 says 8GB or 7,385 megabytes, that's probably it. Then type select disk 1. Make sure to replace the 1 with the number that matches your USB. Now we'll wipe everything on the USB drive to start fresh. Type clean. This removes all existing partitions and data. So yeah, make sure you backed up anything important before this. Now we create a new partition, create part PRI. That stands for create partition primary, basically telling Windows to prepare the drive for formatting. Now format it using this command, format fs equals FAT32 label equals Linux quick. Let's break this down. fs equals FAT32 means we're formatting it with the FAT32 file system, which is commonly used for bootable drives. Label equals Linux. This part doesn't really matter. I just used Linux as an example. You can name it whatever you want. It won't affect anything. And quick just speeds up the format process so it doesn't take forever. So don't get confused by the label. We're still installing Windows. After formatting is done, type list partition. This will show the partition we just created. Usually it says partition 1 and it's marked as primary. Then type active. This sets the partition as active, which is required to make the USB bootable. Now type assign. This gives the USB drive a letter, like H: or G:, so you can access it in File Explorer. Then type exit. That closes diskpart. Now go to the Windows ISO file that you have. Right-click on the ISO and choose Mount. Windows will mount it like a virtual DVD drive, and you'll see it appear in File Explorer with its own letter. Open that mounted drive, select all the files, and copy them to your USB drive. That's it. Once the files finish copying, your USB is now bootable and ready to install Windows on any PC. Simple as that. No extra tools, just command prompt. If this helped you out, leave a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.